The topic of today's video is how to fix Anydesk disconnected from the Anydesk network. Alright guys, so what can happen and what usually is the problem is when you open Anydesk, sometimes you'll notice a pop-up asking you for permission to access the network. You may have clicked Do Not Allow by accident, or something in your firewall settings has just decided to block Anydesk from the network. So in order to fix this, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the search button and we're going to search Windows Defender Firewall. Once you have it, click in it. Now we want to click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Alright, now we're going to look for Anydesk. You'll see it over here. Then click on Change Settings on the top right here. Now you can put it through your private network or your public network or both, depending on how you have your internet set up. Make sure Anydesk is ticked on the left hand side as well. And when you've done that, just click on OK at the bottom here. And now Anydesk network should have access through your Windows Defender firewall. You may want to just close Anydesk and restart it again, and everything should be fully functional. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do consider liking and subscribing. It really helps our channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one.